Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I just wanted to sit down and talk to you about something my skin's been through recently and what finally helped. And no, this is not like a 10 steps to a glowing skin kind of video. This is more like I got a hydrofacial done, ruined my skin, panicked for 2 months, and finally found something that worked. Okay, story time. So I got this Hydra facial done like 3-4 months ago. It was for a friend's wedding, and I wanted that treat yourself kind of moment. You're getting me? Like I wanted that glow. I wanted my skin to look very like magnificent and plumpy and everything. And on the day of the facial, it was very nice. Like my skin was showing that I got a facial done. It was glowing and everything. But just 2-3 days later, my skin just flipped on me. Okay, like I got tiny bumps. They weren't acne like hormonal one. They were just like tiny bumps on my cheeks and along my jawline, right? And I was so scared because I never usually break out. And when I tell you I tried everything, I mean I tried everything. And then you're in that spot like at 2 a.m. googling adult acne. So I was that person spiraling at 2 a.m. at night on Reddit. And then one night, I kid you not, I get this very random ad from this app called Cure Skin. And I was like, not another thing. Because you know how it is with the skincare marketing people. So, but I clicked it anyway. So I was expecting them to sell me some hyaluronic acid serum or something. But they were different. So it said that it was dermatologist bagged and that they scan your face through the app to find out what's wrong. And at that point, I was like, we are in nothing to lose territory now, so I downloaded it anyway. The process was actually wild. Like once you open that app, you get into a zone wherein you have to choose between skin and hair. I chose skin, obviously, and then they ask you pretty basic questions as to what your routine is, what kind of concerns you're having, how long this problem has been going on, and stuff of that sort. Then they ask you to take pictures barefaced from the front and both the sides so that the AI, which is inbuilt in the app, can scan it. Once they scan it, they tell you what is wrong with your face. And honestly, I was shook with the results. After the scan, a dermatologist reached out to me. She wasn't a chatbot, she was a real person. And she mentioned that my skin was inflamed and that my barrier was compromised because of the hydrofacial that I got done and all the things I kept on trying afterward. She said that the acne looked more reactive than hormonal and that I needed a very proper skincare regime as compared to random products for calming that I was trying on my own. It was then that she gave me this 5-step routine which is very minimal, has no exfoliants, no actives, and just supports healing. This cost me around 2200 rupees and included doctor consultation, delivery, and everything. My dermat asked me to stick to these for at least 3 to 4 weeks without using anything else and let my skin breathe. So I was like, okay, I'm in. So this is what the routine looks like. This is a gentle cleanser. It's creamy, doesn't foam much, but actually removes the grime, doesn't dry me out at all. Next is this barrier restructure cream. I think this one's the star for me. It calms, hydrates, and feels like a warm hug for irritated skin. Next is this ceramide sunscreen. I've been super picky with sunscreens lately, but this one is actually good. No white cast, no pilling under makeup. Moving on is this under eye gel. Honestly, I didn't expect much here, but it's light and cooling. I use it every day now. And then this supplement. It's a powder. It's myo-inositol plus folic acid plus D3. You mix it in water, and I've been taking it daily. See, the thing is that nothing in this routine felt like it was attacking my skin. It was just support, and I think that was all that I needed at that time. I have been using this routine for more than a month now, and I did not want to film anything because sometimes it's like your skin is calming on its own and you feel that you're using these new products. So it's like working. But then when I used it, they were really effective and helped my skin heal. See, my skin is not 100% clear. Here I'm wearing zero makeup so that you can see it very clearly. There are still some marks left, but there hasn't been a new cystic breakout since week 1. My old acne is healing faster, my skin is not getting irritated at all, and my makeup sits very beautifully on my skin. So I think it's a win win situation, and I'm not scared anymore to get up in the morning and look in the mirror. The other thing that I did not expect from this application was that your dermatologist actually checks in after 30 days to see what progress you have made and if they need to tweak anything in your routine. And this is absolutely free of cost. So this was shocking to me because I've been to dermatologists before and they call it a nominal fee and charge around at least 1,000 rupees to just look at your face for 5 minutes. I love that everything was online from the convenience of my home. There was no guessing game, no going to salons, running, taking appointments, and everything was well structured and explained to me well in advance. Like, even the supplement that was given to me was well explained as to why I need to take it and why it's important based on my history. Anyways, I'm not saying this is a miracle cure for everyone, but if your skin is reacting or freaking out, or you're just tired of layering your products and not getting any results, this could help. You literally just have to pay for the products, the consultation, and the delivery fee is absolutely free. And it feels like you're being taken care of rather than being sold stuff. Now, I do have a discount code which is Shruti100, which will save you a bit. But order only and only if this is something that you need. I'm putting it down in my description box. Okay, I think that's everything that I wanted to say. Now, this wasn't planned as a review at all, but I just wanted to put it out there because it helped me when my skin was in chaos and I know how lost that feels. So let me know in the comment section if you have tried Cure Skin or have had a similar facial disaster so we can cry in the comments together.